Today in this video, we are going to discuss the two new tools of the Photoshop CS6, and that tools are pen tool and path selection tool. So before knowing its practical usage, you must know what is the purpose behind using it. Pen tool. It is used to transform or reshape the part of the line. It means whenever you want to transform a line or want to reshape something, then you can use this pen tool. Now let's see how we can use it practically. To use the pen selection tool, first just select that. And to select, you need to go to this tools palette. In the tools palette, you will be finding this option. This is your pen tool. And when you're going to click over here, your pen tool will get selected. After choosing this pen tool, you need to go to this options bar. And in the options bar, there is an option of shape. So instead, if by default it is path, then you need to change it to the shape. So make sure here it should be shape. Only then you are going to draw the shape on your screen using this pen tool. After that, you are going to click on your screen like this. So when you are going to click over here, you can see there is a point on the screen. And this point is known as anchor point. Using these anchor points, we are going to draw the shape on our screen using this pen tool. So after drawing the first anchor tool, just click on any other point on the screen and you will be find there is another anchor point appears on your screen and there is a line in between these two anchor points. After that, when you are going to click for the third time, then automatically a shape will be gets displayed on your screen, as you can see on your screen. So after this, you are supposed to click on this point, same point from where you had selected. After that, you will see a shape is fixed on your screen now. In this way, you could also create your own shapes using this pen tool. So if in case you want to draw a different shape, what you can do? Let's just delete this shape and then draw again, okay? So first point, then second point, third one, and immediately click on the fourth point. So when you're going to add on new points like this, your shape will automatically get changed. So that means you can change it to the multiple times. And you can create any of the image of your choice using this pen tool. Now there are few more things that you need to see in the options bar after drawing your required shapes. First is this fill. When you're going to change this fill color to the green or to this shade, you can see the same shade is appearing in your shape also. So in this way you can change the color of your shape that should be filled inside. After that, there is one more option that is of stroke. So from here you can choose any color to be set for your stroke. So that means your outline or your boundary of the shape will appear in the same color. Suppose I am choosing a black shade. So you can see the boundary of your shape is in black shade now. You can also change the thickness of your boundary. Like instead of 3 points, you can choose more or you can even decrease. So from here you can adjust the thickness of your stroke or your boundaries. Then from here you can change the stroke style. Now what does that mean, stroke style? You can choose either you want a straight line as your sides or boundaries, or you want a dotted one like it is appearing over here, or you want just this one. So from here you can change your stroke style. And then afterwards, you can see the same things are applied to your shape also. If in case you want to change this shape and make it bit curvy, so how could you do that? Keep on selecting the same pen tool, and when you will be able to see, when you're going to take your mouse pointer to the line, there is a plus sign. which means you can add more anchor points. So here I am adding one anchor point so that I can change this shape. So using this anchor point, you can make it bit curvy like this. So this is the way how you can change this shape and make it curvy. First, just add the anchor point like I had did, or you can also delete anchor point. Okay. So when there is no anchor point, there is a sign of plus, right? And when you had added a point, then there will be a sign of the subtraction, which means minus. So when you're going to click again, it will get deleted. So here I'm adding an anchor point, and then using it, I'm going to drag it so that I can make it bit curvy. Next tool is path selection tool. This tool is used to select the path of an image. That means image should be already existing one. So let's see how practically we can use this path selection tool. Path tool is somehow quite similar to your pen tool, but here to select the path of an image, first of all there should be a shape or an image on the screen. After that only you can select the path of this image. For example, after drawing this shape, I am going to select my path selection tool, which is present over here in the tools panel. So when you are going to click over here, it will get selected, and after selecting you just need to click on the shape. As you can see, when I had clicked on my shape, there are 4 anchor points on all the 4 corners of my shape appeared on my screen, which means now path of this images gets selected. So now what can I do using this path or using this path selection? First of all, you can change this shape. How we can do that? Using these anchor points. As we had done earlier in the pen tool, using these anchor points, we can reshape our image. So here also you can do the same. So to do that, first of all, if you want to remove this anchor point and make it a straight line from this point to this point, then what you can do is just simply delete this. And to delete this anchor point, right click over here, and the first option will appear on your screen is of delete anchor point, like here you can see. So I had selected delete anchor point, and this line gets deleted. Similarly, you can also add some anchor points. So after using this path selection, just simply click anywhere using right click, and you can see this option, first option, add anchor point. If you are going to right click on the anchor point, then there is option of delete anchor point. And if you are going to right click on the blank line where there is no anchor point, then this option will appear as add anchor point. So I am adding one anchor point over here and then deleting this one. Let's see what will happen. It will get curvy line. Why so? Because now there is no corners. So that's why this is appearing curvy. Let's make one more point over here, add one anchor point, and then delete this one. Let's see, will it appear again a curvy line or not? Yes, it is there. So this is how you can change your already existing image using add anchor points and using the delete anchor points. So you can also stretch them, or you can reshape your image using this. So let's do one more changes. Here I am going to add one anchor point in the center point, and then let's delete both the sides. So could you see this? This line is become curvy now, similarly as we had did over here. So if you don't want the sharp corners, you can also try this. Using this, your sharp edged corner will be get curvy.